Hello everybody and welcome to Paracrew. In today's video we're going to be taking a look on how to make one of the best budget in-ear monitors sound even better. So I have 4 tips lined up for you, ranging from simpler to more complex, that will take your audio listening experience on the KZ-ZS6 to the next level. Tip number 1 has to do with, well, tips. The KZ-ZS6 come with a set of silicone tips which were not that comfortable in my ears to begin with. But comfort is not the only reason you should consider swapping out the ZS6's tips for. Browsing online forums has shown that quite a few fellow ZS6 owners have found that using a pair of foam tips, like the ones that I have on my pair, improve audio quality by mitigating the treble harshness of the earphones. Personally, I found them to slightly improve my earphones' audio performance, but for the comfort alone that they provide, I consider them to be well worth it. You can pick up a set of foam tips for just a few bucks online. I'll have a link in the description for anybody who is interested in buying some. Moving on to tip number 2. This one also aims to address the ZS6's treble harshness, which is the main con of this pair of in-ear monitors. It is a rather simple hack you can pull off right now. Just get some cotton and roll it into a couple of small cotton balls. Then carefully insert them inside your earphone tips. By doing this, some of that excess treble should fade away without losing any clarity. Tip number 3 is a software-related fine-tune. Part of the reason that the KZ-ZS6 are so popular is the fact that they can produce rich and heavy bass. And as mentioned numerous times before, a thing not so great about them is their treble going off the charts. What we're gonna do is tune the equalizer to better suit our earphones. If you like a heavier bass to your earphones, kick up a notch the lower frequencies of your equalizer as I do. Then, to combat the harshness of the ZS6, we're going to slightly decrease the higher frequencies by a few decibels. If you're looking for a good music app with an equalizer for Android, you can check out Shuttle. And if you're on Windows, try searching for Peace Equalizer. Finally, tip number 4 is meant for Android power users. At this point, I must warn that this step is not for the faint of heart, as it will most probably void your phone's warranty. It's addressed to those who are really interested in tuning their mobile audio experience and are willing to research how to properly mod and, in case things don't go well, recover their phones. So first things first, you will need a rooted phone with Magisk. Through Magisk Manager, go and install the Viper4Android mod and restart your device. Once that's done, open the Viper4Android app. From here you can mod away your phone's audio processing to your heart's content. To make things easier, I've linked in the description a Viper4Android profile that I've built for the KZ-ZS6 in specific, that I feel makes the earphones sound more to my liking. You can install that by downloading the profile and placing it in the related folder in your phone's storage. Then, just load it through the Viper4Android app and enjoy. That was it for this video everybody. I hope it helped you upgrade your audio listening experience on the KZ-ZS6. If you liked this tutorial, give us a thumbs up below and make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more awesome content. I will see you in the next video.